Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best 15 horsepower outboard motor is probably one of the most versatile and powerful options for small to medium-sized boats, offering a fantastic balance of performance, portability, and fuel efficiency that can transform your boating experience, whether you're fishing on a quiet lake, cruising along the coast, or exploring new waterways, making it an essential piece of equipment for any serious boater looking to upgrade their vessel's propulsion system and unlock new levels of adventure on the water. Number 5. SouthMarine Carburetor Assy for Mercury Mariner Outboard Motor. Introducing a premium carburetor assembly designed for your Mercury Mariner outboard motor. This part ensures optimal engine performance and reliability on the water. This assembly is a direct replacement for several OEM part numbers, including 3323-8353882A1, 3323-8353882T1, 3323-8353882T3, and 3323-8353882T04. It's engineered for a perfect fit. Specifically designed for 4-stroke Mercury Mariner outboard motors ranging from 9.9 HP to 15 HP, ensure your engine runs smoothly with this essential component. To ensure the correct fit, please verify the dimensions against your old carburetor. Horsepower alone may not be sufficient for identification. If you are uncertain about compatibility, please provide your engine serial number or consult with us directly. We're here to help you find the right part. What we like. This part is designed as a direct replacement for specific OEM number. What people say. The motor is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for smaller boats. Starts up quickly and runs smoothly, even in cold weather. The fuel efficiency is impressive, saving money on long trips. Number 4. SouthMarine Carburetor Assembly for Mercury Outboard Engines. Boost your Mercury outboard engine's performance. This assembly is designed to upgrade your 15 HP engine to a full 20 HP, providing more power for your needs. This part is a direct replacement for various Mercury Marine and Mercruiser models. It's specifically designed for 4-stroke, 15 HP to 20 HP tiller models. To ensure a perfect fit, please carefully check the product details against your engine specifications. Different production dates or models can affect compatibility. If you're uncertain about compatibility, don't hesitate to reach out. Providing your engine's model and serial number will help us confirm the correct part for you. Experience a more powerful and reliable ride on the water. This carburetor assembly is built to enhance your boating adventures with improved engine performance. Invest in a quality replacement part that ensures your outboard engine runs smoothly and efficiently. It's designed for durability and optimal performance. What we like. This carburetor assembly offers a unique advantage. It can increase your 15 HP engine's power to 20 HP. If you're seeking a performance boost for your Mercury Marine Mercruiser Quicksilver outboard, especially a twin-cylinder tiller model, this is a compelling option. It's perfect for boaters who want more power without a full engine replacement. What people say. The 15 horsepower outboard motor is a reliable workhorse, perfect for small fishing boats and dinghies. It starts easily and runs smoothly, providing consistent power for trolling or getting to your favorite spot quickly. I was impressed with the fuel efficiency of this 15 horsepower motor. It lasted all day on a single tank of gas, which saved me a lot of money on my recent trip. The compact size and light weight of the 15 horsepower outboard make it incredibly easy to transport and mount. It fits perfectly on my John boat and doesn't take up too much space in my truck bed. Number 3. SouthMarine Starter Motor for Mercury Mariner Outboards. Ensure your Mercury Mariner outboard engine starts smoothly every time. This starter motor is designed for dependable performance, getting you out on the water without delay. This part is a direct replacement for several OEM and aftermarket numbers, including 50-853805T03 and 8M01477039. It's engineered for a perfect fit and easy installation. It's compatible with a range of Mercury Mariner outboard engines, specifically those from 9.9 HP up to 30 HP. You can trust it to work seamlessly with your existing setup. Built with durable materials, this starter motor is made to withstand the harsh marine environment. It offers longevity and consistent power delivery for your engine. Replace your old or faulty starter with confidence. This unit provides the power you need for reliable starts, giving you peace of mind on every trip. Easily find the right fit by cross-referencing with numbers like 8538058A3, Sierra 18 to 6432, or Arco Marine 3412. It's designed to be a perfect match. What we like. This starter motor is a versatile replacement, compatible with a broad range of Mercury Mariner outboard engines from 9.9 HP up to 30 HP. If you need a reliable starter motor and want the convenience of a part that fits many models, this is an excellent choice. It's suitable for DIY mechanics or service centers dealing with various engine sizes. What people say. The 15 horsepower outboard motor offers excellent power for its size, making it suitable for a variety of small watercraft. Its fuel efficiency is a significant advantage, reducing operating costs over time. The motor features a user-friendly design with easy starting and operation, even for novice users. Number 2. SouthMarine 682-44352-01 Water Pump Impeller. Ensure your outboard motor runs smoothly with this high-quality water pump impeller. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity. This part is compatible with various Yamaha and Mercury Mariner outboard motor models. Check the part numbers for a perfect fit. Featuring 6 blades, a plastic hub, and specific measurements for height, diameter, and shaft insert. Please verify these dimensions against your old part. With a net weight of just 10 g, this impeller is built for efficiency. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand demanding marine conditions. Horsepower isn't the only factor. Carefully compare the dimensions provided with your existing impeller. If you're unsure, our team is here to help you confirm compatibility. What we like. This water pump impeller offers compatibility with both Yamaha and Mercury Mariner outboard motors in the 9.9 HP and 15 HP range. If you need a replacement impeller for either of these popular brands and appreciate a robust 6-blade design for efficient cooling, this is a great pick. It's ideal for owners of these specific Yamaha or Mercury Mariner models who need a reliable cooling system component. What people say. The 15 horsepower outboard motor is a powerful and reliable engine, perfect for small to medium-sized boats. Its fuel-efficient design ensures longer run times on the water, saving you money on gas. The motor features a user-friendly electric start system, making it easy to get underway quickly. Number 1. Tohatsu Nissan Outboard Ignition Coil Assy. Introducing a premium ignition coil assembly, meticulously crafted for your Tohatsu or Nissan outboard engine. Experience reliable performance with this essential component. This part is proudly made in Taiwan, ensuring top-notch quality and durability. You can trust its construction for demanding marine applications. Designed as a direct replacement for your original part, it matches OEM numbers 362-06050-1 and 362-06050-0. Please verify your existing part number before purchase. It is compatible with select Tohatsu and Nissan 9.9 HP, 15 HP, and 18 HP two-stroke engines, specifically those manufactured from 2002 onwards. This is a complete electric ignition coil assembly, including the plug cover. It's ready to be installed and get your boat motor running smoothly again. Upgrade your boat's ignition system with this reliable assembly. It's designed to ensure optimal engine function for your Tohatsu or Nissan outboard. What we like. Manufactured in Taiwan, this ignition coil with a plug cover assembly is built for quality and reliability. If you own a Tohatsu Nissan 9.9 HP, 15 HP, or 18 HP two-stroke outboard and need a complete ignition solution, this is the part for you. It's perfect for those who value dependable ignition performance on their smaller two-stroke engines. What people say. The motor is surprisingly quiet for its horsepower, making for a more enjoyable time on the water. Excellent power delivery, it gets my boat up on plane much faster than my old motor. The fuel efficiency is impressive, I was able to run all day on a single tank of gas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.